Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at something really exciting, building an AI startup, specifically thinking ahead to 2025.
Yeah, AI is just everywhere, isn't it? It's changing industries, creating these massive opportunities.
Totally. So our mission here is to, break down the essential steps, give you a practical guide from like the initial spark of an idea right through to growth.
Exactly. We've got about 7 key areas we want to touch on. A roadmap, sort of.
Okay, let's jump in. First up, the idea. Now, it's tempting to get caught up in the cool AI tech itself, right?
Oh, definitely. But the source is really stress, starting with a real problem, a genuine pain point that exists out there.
Right. Forget the algorithms for a second. Where's the friction? Think education, maybe healthcare, logistics, things that aren't working smoothly.
And the big question you have to ask is, can AI actually meaningfully solve this? Is it the right tool for this job?
Good point. Because if you find that problem, the next step is crucial: validation.
Absolutely critical. Don't just assume people need what you're thinking of building. You've got to, well, talk to them.
How do you do that effectively? Sources mention things like actual problem interviews, like maybe 20 of them.
Yeah, really digging into the why behind the pain, not just confirming it exists. And, check out relevant Reddit forums, LinkedIn groups, see what people are already complaining about.
You could even test demand with a simple landing page, right? Like a wait list.
Exactly, get that direct feedback. Okay, so let's say you validate the idea. Now you need people, a team.
And doing AI solo, that sounds tough. The complexity, how fast everything moves.
It's a lot. The sources often bring up that classic hacker, hustler, hipster model.
Ah, yeah. The tech brain, the business driver, and the design UX person.
You need that mix. Someone to build it, hacker, someone to sell it and strategize, hustler, and someone to make sure people actually, like using it, hipster.
Makes sense. Okay, team covered. What about the tech itself? It feels like things change weekly.
They kind of do. But the good news is it's more accessible. You've got amazing tools like OpenAI's APIs, Hugging Face models, Google Vertex AI.
So you don't always have to build your own massive model from day one.
Definitely not. Start lean. Use those APIs first. See what works. Of course, you need to watch out for things like compute costs.
Right, training models can get expensive fast.
And data privacy. Super important, especially with user data.
Okay, wise words. Funding all this. How does that usually work? Bootstrapping, maybe?
That's a great starting point. Lots of cloud providers offer credits, which can really help early on stretch those initial resources.
And then there are accelerator.
Yeah, AI-focused ones like Y Combinator, Entrepreneur First, Antler, they offer funding, but also mentorship and networks.
And if you're going the VC route, what do they want to see?
VCs often look for a unique data advantage. What data do you have that others don't? And crucially, how does this scale? What's the big vision?
Got it. So idea, validation, team, tech, funding, now we build, but maybe not the whole thing at once.
No, definitely not. Think MVP, minimum viable AI product. What's the smallest thing you can build that delivers real value for one specific pain point?
Focus is key. And maybe use no-code or low-code tools to get there faster.
Absolutely. Launch early, get it into users' hands, and then iterate like crazy based on what they tell you.
Which brings us to the last part: grow. That iteration loop is vital, isn't it?
It's everything. Use analytics, talk to your users constantly, what's working, double down on that, what isn't, maybe pivot or cut it.
And look for early revenue, partnerships, B2B clients maybe?
Yeah, finding those early adopters who are willing to pay can really validate your direction and provide fuel for more growth.
Okay, so let's quickly recap the journey. Start with a real problem, then validate it thoroughly, assemble the right team, choose your tech stack smartly, probably starting lean, figure out funding, build a focused MVP, and then grow through constant feedback and iteration.
That's the core loop. Problem, validate, team, tech, fund, build, grow. It's a cycle, really.
So, as you're listening and thinking about AI in 2025, remember, start small, stay focused on the problem, and, well, let the AI work for you, not the other way around.
And maybe a final thought to leave you with, thinking about all this. Where have you personally seen some kind of inefficiency or friction? Could AI, using these steps, actually tackle it? That might just be your starting point.